Hey everybody, it's Helen McConnell here from helenmcconnell.com. It's December 12th, 2020, and these have been some pretty interesting times. And because of tapping, I have been able to maintain inner peace through most of 2020. I know that sounds almost impossible, and everybody is talking about how anxious everybody is and how scared and worried. You know, scared and worried are not your friend during this time. They may be familiar, but they are not your friends. So I'm going to encourage you as much as possible to bring your scared and worried states down. Bring the intensity down every day. I want you to know that it's safe to not be scared. In fact, in the face of any situation, the best way is to be not scared. Okay? Because when we're scared, we lose a lot of our resources. We lose our internal resources. We're not as creative. We react rather than respond. And most situations that you might be facing during this time don't require instant reaction. They require good response. And what if through this you could be creative and responsive? So notice how you feel about the idea of not being scared. Just notice the feeling. And I'm just going to use what people tell me. Like, I can't not be scared. I have to be scared so I can take care of myself and my family. And I'm here to tell you that's exactly backwards, okay? So tap with me. We're going to use Steve Wells' intention tapping. And I just want you to tap like this and say, I release all my emotional attachments. And you repeat that. On the eyebrow, to the projections my mind is making. And you can be more specific about COVID or about work or about money or about the future. Okay, but whatever you want to put in there, you can. And then just notice. And tap all the way around all the points. And if the intensity is going down, which it most likely is, but hasn't gone down completely, do it one more time. I release all my emotional attachments. On the eyebrow, to the projections my mind is making. And you'll probably notice a big sigh. Release, freedom in this moment. It is our natural state to be calm, to be resourced. But it's not always our familiar state. It's not always our normal state. I want you to be natural more than normal. Okay, so after you've released your attachments, just notice where you're feeling fear or tension or worry in your body. And you can, let's say your chest is tight from worry. Tap like this and say, I restore right energy flow and balance on the eyebrow to my chest. And then just tap around. Your unconscious mind will bring stuff up. You don't need to identify it all. Just let it flow. Let everything flow. Okay. And you tap around. And using this technique, you just kind of watch or notice what happens in your body. And let everything flow until it doesn't flow anymore. Until it either leaves your body or it gets stuck somewhere. So if it started in your chest, it may move up to your throat and get stuck there. And then you do it again. I restore right energy flow and balance to my throat. Listen to your body. Listen to your unconscious mind. And you just take a breath after each round and kind of check in and see what's going on. And I really encourage you to use any kind of tapping technique. They're all powerful, but this one is so succinct and efficient. I really love it. And the more you practice it, the more you can learn ways to use it. If this one isn't working for you, you can go back to traditional EFT tapping. Even though I feel scared, I deeply and completely accept myself. And you can just tap around and talk about what you're scared about, what you're worried about. I'm so worried. I'm so worried about, and fill in the blank. I'm so worried. I'm worried about, fill in the blank. I'm worried. It's not okay to be calm. I'm worried. I'm worried. So you tell the truth. You rant and tap is what we call it. I want you to find peace and calm during this crazy time, because the more of us who have peace and calm, the better the world's going to be. If you are in a state of panic or fear, you're much more suggestible and reactable, and we need to be calm and resourced. All right, so please try this out. Let me know how it works. Do it over again. Watch the video again if you need to, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the notifications bell. Thanks for watching. Here's to your inner peace.